Hello and welcome to the Guitar Christmas Challenge, where we are learning 12 simple Christmas songs on our guitar, hopefully before Christmas. Today we're doing Feliz Navidad, and this one only has 3 chords. That's A, D, and E7. If you're already comfortable playing these chords and switching to and from, then I have a few strumming patterns for you to try. But if you need a few kind of tips and hacks on how to slide more quickly, notice that the song starts on a D chord, right? And your index finger should slide back a fret, the hand should swing, and then you're at E7. Because that D chord, you already have the index finger on the string that you needed. So you just slide back and swing open for the E7. And then from E7 to A, your middle ring and pinky can come in and hold that chord, and you're already kind of in position. So find a way to kind of moonwalk through the chords, and that'll make switching much easier. Now for strumming patterns, I have 4, and they're all different levels. So if you're a beginner or intermediate, find the one that you like. So for my more beginner people, we're gonna start on that D chord, and you're gonna do it on beat 1. Let's try it. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, E7, go. And 2 A's, go. 1, 2, 3 again. Repeat back to D, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you got it. That's for my beginners. If you're a little bit more advanced, try this. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, 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 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. Back to D chord now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you're more advanced than this, you're doing down, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, ready, go. Advanced than that, and you can use some mutes, and then you're gonna do this. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, mute, up, up, mute, up, mute, up, down, mute, up, mute, down, mute, up, mute, up. E7, A. Good. Perfect. Now let's try to do a little stop, and this little stop will make the song sound more exciting or dramatic. So the beginning of the song starts a cappella. Feliz Navidad, and then you start strumming on that of Navidad. Feliz Navidad. We're not gonna do it this fast. I'm just trying to tell you where you start your strumming. Feliz Navidad, right? So you can end this section kind of dramatically too, where you have your 2 A's. You're gonna do the first one normal, whichever strumming pattern you've chosen, and the next A, or the second A at the very end of this section, just do a down strum and a mute. Try it with me, and down and mute. Again, ready, go, down and mute. It's just, I'm strumming with all 4 fingers just for more of a dramatic effect. And then I'm muting with an open palm. The faster the better. So let me show you how that sounds once you put the whole chord progression together. Here we go. 1 and 2. You can do it. Play with joy. Go. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Play it all the way through this one. Play it. D chord. E7. Here's where we're going to add the mute. 2, 3, 4, 1. Let's do it one more time now that you know exactly where we're stopping. Here we go. 1, 2, D chord, ready, go. E7, A again, D, E7, A, and stop on 1. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad. purpose of adding that stop is that you get to say Feliz Navi in a cappella every time that you do it. Now, if like me, this song, the chords are too low for you, let me teach you how to use a capo. If it's in the right pitch for you, then you can skip this section, go to the next section where we're just gonna do a playthrough of the song. If you don't have a capo, these are really easy to find. I just recommend that you get something that's metal and not plastic. The one that I have is dual for both ukulele and guitar. I'll link it down below, but again, you can find capos everywhere. Okay, so the singing note is if I put my fingers on the second frets of D and G, that's really low for me. So I'm gonna go on the third fret just because I've experimented with this and I tend to be okay. Feliz, way better. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. That is a little bit low. I'm gonna be bold. Feliz. That might be better. Feliz Navidad. Yeah. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. Maybe I can go up one more. Feliz. Anyway, this is how you would experiment with the capo. First, you find out what are your singing notes, which are right here, and then you just go adding the capo and trying those singing notes every time. And make sure that you keep the same distance from the nut. So here it's on the second fret from the nut. When you add the capo, that becomes the nut. So I need to go to the second fret. Feliz. I really like that fourth fret. Feliz Navidad. So yeah, that's where I would do it if I was gonna sing it for my family. Okay, so now if you're here, you're ready to do a little playthrough of the song. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. And stop. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. Wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. Wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad. All right, little tip here. How long should you wait before you start strumming again? When you've done the stop. So when you do the stop, you count that as beat 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then on beat 1, you start the D chord again. So let me explain that again. You strum downwards on 1, 1, and you wait for beats 2, 3, and 4. When it's beat 1 again, you're on the next chord. So let's try to play that phrase, and I'll be counting for you this time. 1, 2, D chord, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Play the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Stop on 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. And stop on 1. Wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. By the way, when you're going into the I wanna wish you, you can stop or you can keep strumming. That's up to you. It's a style choice. So go ahead and play around with that. Let me know which one you like best in the comments down below. In this video, I've been playing a parlor-sized guitar by Guitarist Romero. it is a gorgeous instrument. It sounds incredible. What I like is that the body is quite smaller, so I can travel with this a little bit more. Comes with a really beautiful hard case as well. And the neck is standard size. So my muscle memory from practicing and playing is, it's just perfect because I can transition to this instrument. I can hold it easily. It's not so big. If you're interested in this guitar and supporting the channel, then I'll link it down below. And if you'd like to get the printable as well as my live lessons and the meetups that I do, that's all on Patreon. Patreon is a site that allows you to support creators like me for a monthly fee. My fee is $5, and with that you get access to 8 of the lessons that I do live only for my Patreons, and the play along videos that I've done for tutorials and hundreds of pages of PDFs. And you also get to message me and make special requests. So if you'd like to join Patreon, that's linked down below as well. Thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!